Hello friends, this is David from ICONS Infocom. We are India-based distributor for Nuance Dragon Medical Practice Edition, and we are excited to launch the new version of 4.2 in Indian market. There are few significant announcements. As you can see it on your screen, all you have to do is create your login ID and password and you can start using the Dragon software. There is no need to train your voice beforehand, which means it's just install and start dictating. The 4.2 comes with an AI and deep learning technology, which makes the software more intelligent and most accurate product ever developed. And now just let's see a small demonstration how this Dragon software works. Open Microsoft Word. Insert CT scan. Next variable. The visualized lung base, soft tissue of the abdominal wall and the bones are unremarkable. Full stop. The midline vascular structures are grossly unremarkable. Full stop. No significant retroperitoneal lymphadenopathy is seen. Full stop. New line. Both adrenals and the kidneys are unremarkable. Full stop. Both uterus and the bladder are grossly unremarkable. Full stop. New line. No free fluid in the abdominal and pelvis. Full stop. New line. The significant small and large bowel are grossly unremarkable. Full stop. Next variable. Normal CT of abdomen and pelvis. Full stop. New line. Insert signature. So this was the small demonstration how the Dragon software works. Now for limited period we have launched an offer at the special pricing, to which if you want to know more information we will give it to you in the next slide.